midnight. What'd you just say, Robert? High tide's not till midnight? What? Low tide. Okay, yeah. So right now, this is high tide. It's low. This is the highest we have seen it. Because there's like the beach line. So, and this is the main, this is the farthest out raft line. So it's very, very foamy. So this is definitely the highest. I don't know if we're going to find any shells. It is, so here's the watermark right here. And you can see it's slowly going back out. Because it's like, what, 8 o'clock right now? And then the low tide is at midnight, so it's slowly going back out. But this is our last night here, so we just wanted to walk some more. We have an early flight. I decided to just record a little. Hopefully we'll find something interesting. Hopefully we'll come across definitely a lot more seaweed chunks. We weren't seeing those really the first day we got here. So that's, what do you see, honey? Nothing. So that's interesting. All those seaweed chunks. Saw that, Robert. Gonna do shadow puppets. There's a rock. Oh my goodness, a rock. I know. I keep getting excited. Deserted. We've seen one person so far. Pretty deserted. There's another rock. Alright, I'll resist it. So, I don't know. I think the shell pile that we like is going to be covered up. 99.9% sure the shell pile we like is going to be covered up. You never know. Limited edition, Robert. You never know. There's a coconut that wasn't there earlier.
You're right. Did I open it like the other guy did?
No. Oh wait, it's already open.
There's nothing in it. It's empty.
It's a carcass of coconut. He was trying to impress his kids with his coconut opening ability.
Oh, bones.
What's? No, that's not bones. Jeez, you know what? Here, you hold the bucket. That's hurting my arm. Gave me a heart attack just for that. You have to carry the bucket. I could get it very easily. They do have their... Oh, sorry, Robert. Sorry. I'm blinding. I have a headlamp on. I keep forgetting I have a headlamp on. I have it on level 3. Let me know when you want me to go to level 4. I think I could single an airplane with my final level. Yeah, my hair. Here, what's that? Oh, what's that? A shark? There's definitely a lot more Flotsam and Jetsam. Hopefully we'll find something cool. tennis shoes. I will not be getting my feet wet tonight. We've got a lot of really nice shelves, so this is more like a bonus walk. I hope we find something, but if we don't, we're just enjoying this super nice weather. It is super nice. It is extremely windy. What's that? Shadow. My phone is creating shadow. All ground up shells. You will show me, I'm sure. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one. Would you grab that one? There you go. No popping. What is that beeping sound? Hear that like beeping sound?
What are you?
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
You did it to me again?
I'm sorry. Is your phone on? I just hear this beeping
Is
sound.
my phone on? My phone is off.
You don't hear, it's like a sick, okay. It sounds like an electric fence. Okay, can you, 4 minutes.
What?
4 minutes.
It's around 4 minutes.
Was there a message today is what you're saying?
I don't know, it says there's 4 new ones.
Because I checked it this morning and I'm checking in 4 minutes because now it's going to bug me. Maybe it was just bugs. Like bugs I'm hearing?
And wildcats. That's about it.
The only wildcats we heard is you. Here, grab the scout from my hand. It's just a rock. Junk, seaweed. No, not on Florida. Oh my God.
Is there a cat up there?
You just, I think there's, I see a person right there. So I see a person sitting right there. I see a person sitting over there. Sides, the tide's going down. They're not going to wash away. There really was a person over there, so. Yes, they were sitting in a chair. They were wearing a hat looking at us.